Malabar spinach farming can be a unique and profitable business venture with minimal effort and low cost, provided it is properly planned and maintained. Malabar spinach is a nutritious, easy-to-grow, and popular green leafy vegetable. It contains a lot of vitamins A, C, and iron. Antioxidants that increase the body's immunity. It is very popular in home cooking because it is nutritious and delicious. The advantages of Malabar spinach are high profits with low investment, and the fact that it can be started on a small scale. Students, unemployed youth, or housewives can start a Malabar spinach cultivation business as extra income in the courtyard of their house, or on the roof garden of the house. Dear viewers, today we will know how to cultivate Malabar spinach. All aspects of Malabar spinach cultivation have been discussed step by step. Malabar spinach is a perennial vine. The leaves and young shoots can be eaten. It grows well in summer and the monsoon. Two types of green and purple varieties are available. For Malabar spinach vegetable cultivation, loam or sandy loam soil with a fertile and good drainage system is suitable. Weeds should be cleared and leveled with a ladder by cultivating 2 to 3 times. It is best to apply organic fertilizer, cow dung, or compost, at a rate of 10 to 15 kilograms per 100. The best time to sow seeds is from March to June. Germination is better if the seeds are soaked in water overnight before sowing. Sow in rows 30 centimeters apart. About 30 to 40 grams of seeds are required per 100. Since it is a vine, it is better to provide poles or trellises. In addition to cow dung fertilizer, you can give urea, TSP, and MOP 200 grams of urea, 150 grams of TSP, and 100 grams of MOP per 100. Half of the urea and other fertilizers should be given during land preparation, and the rest should be given at the base of the plant after 20 to 25 days. Irrigation should be given once every 7 to 10 days during the dry season. Weeds should be removed regularly. Generally, diseases and pests are less. If fungi or insects attack, biocontrol or approved pesticides should be used. The first young shoots and leaves can be collected 40 to 50 days after sowing the seeds. After that, if the young shoots, leaves, and stems are cut every 10 to 15 days, the plant will grow new shoots again. Once sown, the leaves can be harvested regularly for 3 to 4 months. The young shoots should be cut with a hand or a sharp knife. The upper part should be cut without cutting too low, so that the plant can spread its branches again. Both the leaves and stems are suitable for eating, but the young part is more delicious. An average of 20 to 30 kilograms of leaves can be obtained per 100 or 120 square feet, and it can be more depending on care. Cultivation with a loft improves air circulation, resulting in less disease and increased yield. If there is a loft or pole arrangement, the plant will climb well, and the yield will increase. There is a demand for fresh green leaves in the market all year round, especially during summer and monsoon. Fresh, green, young leaves also fetch a good price.